Hey, it's Rob from All Things Wood, Heat, and Maple. You know, heating with wood can be messy, especially when you have two wood stoves. Check out this video and I'll show you how we handle it. So a year and a half ago, our vacuum died. I went online, started doing a lot of research, trying to find a good vacuum that was affordable, but was going to get the job done. After looking at a lot of reviews, the Shark Navigator. Now hang on. Before you think about buying this vacuum, here are 10 things you need to know. The first thing I love about it is how easy it is to empty the canister. 2 clips at the bottom, comes right off, and then you've got a button here and a button here to empty it out. You can also empty it from the top if you need to. It's got great access. If you've got anything that ever gets stuck in there, paper balls or water hair, cat hair and whatnot, you can reach right in there and take them out. Stay tuned to the end of the video. I'm going to give you a before and after when I get this whole unit cleaned up. Number 2, here are 2 of the filters that can be taken out very easily. These are washable. And number 3, the HEPA filter, comes out easily as well. Number 4, ease of adding the attachments. Simple lever there, and depending on what you want to put onto it, you could use a brush, a smaller, different application brush, or you can put the long adapter on, depending on what you want to do. On and off. Before I get to number 5, I want to show you what I love about this vacuum. You're in the middle of vacuuming, and you want to do something, you don't have to put the wand on. This right here gives you plenty of extension. If you need to do curtains or you really need to get some length, you can put the attachment on it. I find that I use it just like this 99% of the time. Number 5 is a handy feature. With a little easy off switch, you can pull that whole vacuum off the base. Now, if you want to carry around that vacuum, do your curtains, do in the corners with your extension, you can do it nice and light. A really great feature. Number 6, it's pretty easy to take everything apart. Anywhere you see this fitting is where you can pull it apart. And just like here, you can get in there if you've got a piece of paper or something stuck and then put it right back. On the bottom, you can do the same thing as well, right here. Number 7 is easy access to the rotating brush. If you've got to clean out hair or anything in there, it's very easy to get to and not a problem. Number 8, we've got a nice long cord. It's 25 feet. Number 9, there are tons of Shark Navigator parts for sale on Amazon, OEM and aftermarket. Number 10, the canister is easy to clean and you can re-clean your filters and reuse them. What you don't want to do is you don't want to twist these. You can squeeze them as you're cleaning them, but if you twist them, you'll break up the fibers and they won't be able to hold the dust particles. Kind of like when you're cleaning a maple syrup filter. If you twist it, they don't last as long. And this is what the water looks like. Now you're ready to just rinse off your filters. Give them a shake and you're good to go. Make sure you buy extras when you buy your vacuum. Comes in handy. You can switch them out as you're cleaning them. The canister is real easy. Wet it down, some hot water, little dishwasher soap. I like to use the toothbrush. Gets that gasket nice and clean. I do it when I empty this in the garbage too, even when it's dry. Keeps that seal. It's a sealed vacuum. You don't want that dust getting in your house. Quick rinse, and now you're ready to just dry it off. I always recommend letting this get really dry before you use it. You don't want any of that dust sticking to the sides of the canister. And here's how it looks after a quick wash in the sink. There you go. The Shark Navigator keeps our house nice and tidy, especially during the wood heating season. Another one of those tools that's worth its weight in gold. I've got links in the description if you want to check them out. And don't forget to look at additional filters, so when you're cleaning them, you've got backup.